Okay guys, good morning. Kusina Binita again. Okay, ayaw ko lang kung makablog pa ako. Busy na ako. Mayroon tayong makar na isda at dito po ito ano namin. Sarsyado namin guys. Okay, sa kamatis, sibuyas, sa bawang. Ang lagyan ko ng kunting vegetable na kasi wala kung vegetable. Kailangan may vegetables din. So, makikita niyo mamaya. Ito yung makar. Okay, naprito na namin. At mayroon din kaming gulay. Mamaya na mix dinengdeng. Ito yung with tinapa. Yun ang sako. Dinengdeng lang. Okay, just cube lang, chicken cube. Tatlong putahe ang luto namin. Okay, mayroon din kaming okra. Deep fry ito na okra. Okay, so I just mix it with the garlic and pepper, you know, that's all. And then what do you call, nor, yun lang. So makikita niyo mamaya ang mga menu namin. Mayroon kaming mamasita oyster sauce. Gagamitin ko ng konti doon sa lulutuin kong sarsyadong isda. Okay? So ngayon ang gagawin ko guys, kasi ito, yung mantika ito, okay, kung lang ang isda, pero alisin ko ito para hindi sasama yung crumbs. See, itong technique niya, kung mainit, ang mantika nyo, lagyan nyo ng spoon o ito bago nyo lagay ito kung kayo ay nagmamadali na magluluto para hindi masunog at hindi mabasag. Okay? Hindi natin dito. Abusin natin. Ayan. See? Ito na yung mantika natin guys, okay? Na mainit na pinagprituhan. Also, kukuha ko ng paper towel natin, lalagay lang natin dito just in case kailangan. Anytime we can grab it. Ayan. Okay. Huwag nyo nang hugasan kasi pinagprituhan naman. Ito naman ang luluto natin dito mamaya. Pero I use this one pag-tryan ko ng okra. Alisin ko lang itong itim. Ito. Alisin mo na ito na. Yan. Huwag mong hugasan yung yung itong gagamitin natin Sana yung mantika natin hindi na marami. Yung nasa buti. Ayaw ko na ito. Tayo mo na ito. Okay. Sabi ko sa kanila, kung kayo mag-deep fry, kasi yung deep fryer ko dito, dinala ko yung isa. Kaso lang ito 2110 hindi magkatugma sa sa kuryente. Dito ako sa loob ng bahay ngayon na mag-deep fry ng okra. Okay? So, para naman may appetizer mamaya. Okay, don't put a little bit oil. Just make it halfway, a little bit your pan. So, it's gonna soak the vegetables, the okra. Don't put only little because it's not gonna be cover up everything, you know, pag kayo ay mag-deep fry. So, rulang heat ng inyong mantika, medium lang. Okay? Ayan, na-mix ko na ito guys. You know, sa garlic. Hindi, walang garlic ito. Yung palang spicy. Napakita mo yung chicken spicy. Na yun lang ang nilagay ko, paminta. At saka salt. At saka hinalo ko na lang sa yung flour. Kasi wala ako yung breadings na ilalagay sana dito para crunchy. But anyway, I'll try my best. It's gonna be crunchy, guys. So don't drop it, your vegetables, if the oil is not hot yet. Painitin nyo. Wala na rin yata tayong gas, oh. Ay, mayroon. Inaakot na naman niya ako. Yeah, and muntik nang nakasunog kami sa labas, pumutok yung ano, kaya ayun, dito na kami sa loob. Ewan ko kung anong nangyari doon, pumutok. Ewan ko nung ginawa mo. Kamuntik na sunog ng bahay. Basa yun. Kaya wala ka rito, i-rescue sana kita, ah? Huwag ka ng ano, bawang din. May konti lang. Ito mayroon ako dito, pagpabango ko. So, make sure kung pwede nyo lang i-drop ito para ano, okay? Kung talagang siya mainit na. Start na natin ito. Bukas yung natin para ano yung in-screen. That's good. Marami kasi itong ano natin. Hindi na tayo makasunod. Ano kaya nangyari talagang sira na yun? Dadalhin na niya rin yun sa kaya kami.
Wala na yung
Pero make sure kayo.
Teka ako kasama eh.
Kasi ang naman.
Magdatigawan noon niya bago sa ito.
Timo.
Hindi mo tinon siguro. Wala siguro magtika din magkill na machine. O nan-leak may
Di
battle.
ko man kalakaron, di timula ko man ang tirikot na.
Katunuman kung kaan, apo yung untar, ay basay o yung kapangoy na untar mas larong umbalog. Okay? Tuwalya, yabalog sila ito isa kubyo. Ne? Yung balat. Okay. Ito, ang mantika natin na ito, huwag niyo ang temperature niya, huwag niyo ilulo ng konti. Yan lang, medium lang dahil pag nilulo yan, hindi nakakratch ito. See, watch. I'm gonna drop this everything. Ang okra natin. Ilulo ko sana sa ano ito para crunchy, pero wala eh. Ganyan na lang. Ipapati nila dito, flour nila, yung parang hindi dry na kwa. Ayan. Hintayin natin yan. Magkakachi. Hindi ka po nang magbukas. Yung kanin natin, isaksak mo na lang.
Wala latas?
Ayan. Ngayon, isasama ko na itong dinding. Itong dinding namin guys, mayroon ako dito na broth ng freeze na rice. This is the fourth wash of my rice. So ito ang ilalagay ko ng sabaw, maybe half cup of water. Dito sa loob niya dito, may nilagay na ako dito na tinapa na sinahog ko sa gulay namin. Pakuluan mo lang ito hanggang hindi lalambot, hindi wala na, no gisa, no nothing at all. Okay? This is very healthy sa guys. That's it. Meron ng kamatis doon. Kamatis. Ang wala doon may luya. Put the ginger. Kunti lang. Tapos yung ginger ng ano natin mamaya. Isda. Kalimutan ko. Yan mi, slicein mo na lang yan mi para sa isda Okay, ito, I have a ginger here. This is the one that I have to mix it with my mixables, guys. Sorry, I'm speaking Tagalog, Ilocano, and English. Some other people, I need to express myself, to let them know also they understand what I'm cooking today, okay? So we have 3 menu. Like I said, we have mixed vegetables, we have fried okra, okay, and we have, this fish. This is makar fish. This is the big one. But we already caught it, guys. So, sarsyado namin, ha? Wala nang... Hindi, mayroon. I have big one yun yesterday. Tingnan mo doon sa sukot. Para sa taas, ano pang niluto natin kahapon? Kasi nagbalat ako kahapon eh. Alam ko na mayroong malaki pa. Wala na? Doon pa taas, wala kaya? Sa talong, pinabuli sa talong, wala? O doon sa, ano, yung big sa bawang. Ano ang pinatang-bitawan-taligan? Tingnan mo ito. Ay, baka ginamit mo lahat sa ano kahapon. Kari. Wala ba ano din? Di ba? Pakita mo nga tayo doon sa taas. Kasi wala bibili tayo. Pag-iwan ng sarsyado natin. Tingnan muna natin, hindi pa nag-golden brown. Ako na mayroon eh. Wala na eh. Wow, may bantaksi rin. Masaliw ka? Oh, sorry, you know, I'm speaking Pangasinan again. You guys, I'm gonna look into the, ito, may pira dito. Para sa luya. Deposit sila. Okay guys, itilan natin itong dito natin na okra. Yan, yung utang mo na yung utang sige daw talaga nito. Ha? Ito ka pala silsilyo. Ano lang na? Okra natin. Naubos ba yung ano natin kahapon, yung luya, natagtad lahat yun? Yung luya. Cook may ginaldang. So this is you know, cayenne pepper guys. I'm using golden brown. Ayun na. Tanag-tanag ano tututututin. try the okra. See the okra? Tikman natin. Yummy. Ayan. Gagawin na lang natin ito mamaya ng ano, para masarap. Okay, tapos na yan guys. So, this is done. Ito na yung fried okra. Wow! Sasaw natin ito sa bawang at saka suka mamaya guys. Okay? See that? Ayan, titikman ko yan mamaya. Wow! So now guys, we have to dip this one later on with vinegar and garlic. So this is the deep fried okra guys, eh? See this? Done. Okay. Try ko again na one. Amin. So now I'm gonna put the oil again, the rest of my, what you call that now, oil because marami ito na pagdisahan ko guys. So this is too much. So we need to save this oil. You see that? Okay. Now the rest is yan ito. Okay. I'll drop it. Okay, ang gagawin natin guys, kasi naprito na yan, so I don't put too much oil on this one. Just maybe drop it so we can use already this we can drop it the garlic. See, this is the talong eggplant. This is the one that I'm using, you know, to garnish it on top of my vegetables. I mean, my sarsiado fish. Like they call sweet and sour, but I don't use sweet and sour. Just tomato, fresh tomato, and I have the cube, you know, of chicken. Also, I have the hot pepper, the long one. I just cut it half. So now what I'm gonna do right now, so I had to drop it already the onion. My niece to buy a ginger, and anyway the ginger I'm gonna garnish the one on top later on when it is coming back. Okay? So ito lang. Magigisa na tayo. See, hindi ko na nilagyan ng maraming mantika. You see the oil that I saved it, guys. Okay, you can use this one to also later for another menu because it's still clean. And it's not that black, okay? Ayan. Yeah. Kalahati, anak. Yung malalaking islas, ha? Saka pa, ha? Wow. Hindi na yung gagawin the boiling, guys. Look at that. You need to have the garlic. I'm gonna chop the onion and tomato. Put everything there. So yung para sa masyado natin na escabeche. Tomato lang, nilalagay ko. Garlic and onion. Or wait until this one dissolve at make it little bit tender, tender soft, you know, the tomato. I don't wanna smash it, okay? Just leave it like that. Once I'm waiting for the ginger. And use this one to cover up on this one. You know how easy it is. I don't want, you know, too much utensil in the kitchen, you know, that's why sometimes I need to make it organized. Okay? Yan. Tignan natin ang sabaw ng gulay natin. Yeah, put it here na. Tignan mo naman. Okay. Thank you. Lagyan mo ito ng patis. Namita. Namita. Patis. Ito lang. Okay. I use a little bit of patis, okay? Not even 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon only. That's it. Wala na akong patis. But the time I run out of the ingredients, give it back already in this space, okay? Yan. Alright. So, ang gagawin ko dito guys, I'm gonna drop the sauce, you know, of my sarsyadong isda. Okay? Ayan. This is the broth from the rice. Okay? Make sure you wash it really good, your rice. And then the last one, if it is not really blurry, you can use the 1/7 and use it for your cooking vegetables, fish. Yan. So, well, that's it. I'll have to wait. Try to cook it dito. Okay. Tayo lang isang takip dyan natin po. Yung baldero. Yung kasi takip ng kaserola. Yung medyo malaki. Yan. Yan. So, tatakpan natin para madali maluto. Maluto ako ngayon ng 3 dish. this is the malunggay, okra, and also tamrong. Yummy guys, yummy yummy. Palamutin lang ng konti kasi yung sabi nila na kanot, you just remove, you know, the, what's it called, you know, the skin, but you have to put in your mouth, and I don't know what do you call that now, that remove the, you know, the cover of the fixable. So I don't know, this is malunggay. We call kanot in Filipino words, okay? But I don't know, in Tagalog o Ilocano, in Pangasinan. Okay? Puluan natin ito. Let's see again this one. I don't wanna make it overcooked. This is the one that I'm telling you guys. You know, this kind of vegetables, this is marunggay. You know, when you're eating this one, you have to remove the skin from your mouth. Okay, this is interesting guys. If you don't know, this is very tasty, very healthy. This is medicine for the arthritis also. Okay. Let's see. When you're eating this one, just like you suck it in your mouth, like that, you can taste, you know, all the juice, you know, from inside of the vegetables. Like that, see? That's it. You just get only the meat from the vegetables. So I just make it a little bit tender, and then maybe that's okay now. Done. Because I don't want, you know, to be like overcooked. Okay? So vegetables already done guys. Second batch is done. You see? Like my malunggay vegetables. Okay, see guys? Alright. See? We're eating, you know, healthy food here, you know, in Philippines. Not always cooking meat. Also now, look at this, you know, the sauce of mine. Sashaduli fish. Okay. So now I have to drop it the fish. So it's gonna mix it and have a, you know, aroma, everything in my fish. Okay. This is makar. We call makar fish. You know, it's no bones, like a boneless, just only in the middle. Look at this. Yes. Very nice. Okay. Alright. So I put everything. Did you beat me one egg, May, over here? One egg, this egg. This one, another. Now I'm gonna drop my cube, okay? There you go. And then now, a little patis, guys. Look at that. Just a little patis. That's it. And I have to drop it. You know, my eggplant. You know, this is the garnish. So, you know, you have vegetables also. Kung wala kayong ibang maisip, ito ang remedy. Okay, para kung may bisita kayo, marami, Okay, ito kung wala tayong budget, just like this. Guys. Kung wala kayong budget, yan ang gamitin nyo. Ng konti ito pangpalapot. I just put only 1 tablespoon of flour only to make it thicker my juice. Yes. This is yummy, 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 guys. See, don't smash your tomato, you know. You need it fresh. Lagyan nyo ito kung gusto nyo na medyo matamis-tamis ng konti. You can add, 1 tablespoon ng sugar. Brown sugar or which one you guys like. Okay? See? Ito lang yan. Okay. Taste it. Yummy, yummy. Ang gawin ko na ngayon, lalagay ko na sa ibabaw itong pang-decoration ko. Pero palabutin ko yung muna itong talong natin. Bagay, ayaw ko yung overcook na talong. Yan. Sabi ko sa inyo, kung wala kayong budget, lagyan nyo ng gulay. Okay? Pwede naman na walang gulay. Yung itlog lang, batil kayo ng isang itlog. Yun lang ang nilagay nyo na pang-garnish nyo sa ibabaw ng sarsyado na isda. Okay? Escabeche, tawag nila sa escabeche. Pero kung gusto nyo ng sweet and sour, yung sweet and sour lang ang nilagay nyo kasi matamis na yun. Depends to you guys. Ito ang gusto kong ingredients lang. Aking sarsyado na escabeche with talong. Okay? See, lapot na guys ang sabaw. Very good. Tamang-tama sa asim kasi yung tomato. Okay. Now, ang gagawin ko na guys, para matapos na po dito, ito yung isang itlog na nabatil ko. Pag kayo naglalagay nito, just make sure, don't put it right away. Just make sure, just little by little, on top of your vegetables. And you know, so now this is Kusina Benita, guys. I'm done. Can you watch this? Please, tama na yan. Yung camera mo lapit mo dito. Oh. Ito yung result ng ating sarsyado na isda, na escabeche, with talong, guys. Okay? How nice is it? And this is my vegetables. Okay, hold on. My vegetables, with, malunggay, with daing na smoked fish. And then ito ngayon, ito yung okra, deep fried na okra ko guys. O see, mag-garnish lang yung ito mamaya. Ano kayo ng bawang at saka suka, i-dip nyo na lang ito. We are okay now. Okay, so now I'm all done guys. With Benita's cooking show in the kitchen. Sorry na lang, maliit ang kitchen ko dito. So I'm done. So thank you so much. Sana huwag niyong itong show ko mamaya kung i-vlog ko. Please naman pag-comment, okay? Kung nagustuhan nyo, let me know. Okay? Salamat! At magandang tanghali sa inyong lahat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Done!